Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, dear
Good
children.
morning.
Very good morning, dear students. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes,
Yeah, sorry for the delay due to the technical problem. There is delay occur. Extremely sorry for that. Okay. Okay. I hope all are well.
Good morning.
Very good morning. Children, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Open
Good
your
morning, ma'am.
videos.
Same 1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah. I will on my video in a minute. Okay. Sebastian. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Try for it. I know even I too faced the fluctuation, the power fluctuation is over here. Due to that, there is a delay. Above all, these virtual classes, we are more dependable. Is it? This is the first ever in the history of teaching and learning. Means,
Yes.
yeah, otherwise in offline class, teachers never depend on anything. Even there won't be any chalk piece, there won't be any blackboard too, teacher can teach. But now the teachers are handicapped. Really, it's one of the worst effect of our pandemic. We become very much handicapped, but by the grace of God, our school is providing such as superb technical facilities. So at least 90% we can enjoy. We all are enjoying. Am I?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Come on, why most of you are behind the curtain? I told you before, really. I don't want to beg you like anything. Come on, like huh? Okay, it's when it's a lesson started or period started means it is understood that you must be sincere in front of the teacher. You must open up your video and sit very sincerely. Okay, Sebastian, I got it, my dear. No problem. As and then it will be there. You open it. Okay. But what about this Paul, Muhammad, Adi, Ashinanda? Okay. Okay. What about your weather over there? What's the weather condition? Is it okay there?
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay. Good. How? Pandemic. It's under control in your areas? Pranav,
Yes, ma'am.
speak. It's under control?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Wherever you are, oh, it's a cloudy. Can I get your place? Can I get your place from wherever you are living, staying? Pranav, from where you are?
I'm Mala.
Mala. Abel? Abel. Come on, all of you, just say, like, I am Alisha, I am from Mala. Like, speak, all of you. Till then, everybody will join.
I am Naeem and I am from Mara.
Mala, your name from Mala. Okay.
I am Safan. I am from Mala.
Good.
Ma'am, I am Ahil from Mala.
Mala. Okay. Yes, come on.
I am Paul Hansel from Irinjalakuda.
From Irinjalakuda. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm Shreya from Cherai.
Chirai.
Charai.
Cherai. Okay. Cherai. Okay.
Ma'am, I am Badi from Kodungalur.
Badi from
Kodungalur.
Kodungalur. Okay. Okay. Good.
Ma'am, I'm Nihal from Kodungalur.
Kodungalur. Nihal and Badi, tell me what's the condition in Kodungalur? Is it triple lockdown announced there?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Here
it's a
is very
triple lock.
sunny.
Okay. Every shops are closed.
No, not that much.
Not that much. Okay. What about that Kodungalur temple? It's near to you?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I wish to visit. I'll be there shortly. So I'll meet you, buddy. Over there. Okay. Okay. And then?
Ma'am, I'm Priyadatta. I used to stay in Ernakulam, but I will move to Chengamanad.
Okay, good. Why?
Because we are building another house there.
Okay. Okay, good. Then?
Ma'am, in Changamanad also there, ma'am, lockdown.
Okay, Rihan, Chingavanam. Okay, there is a lockdown. Okay. Okay. Then, any casualties reported in your areas?
My cousin is there.
Okay, your cousin is there. Okay. Okay, almost. Ausipachan, keep your camera properly. I want to see your face, Ausipachan. Come on. Such a beautiful name. Okay. Okay, dear students, let's start now.
Yes.
It's a time to begin. It's a power failure, but it's running. We kept UPS, so it won't affect anything. Only the camera and its light may off, but the system will not be off because it's a great contribution of our chairman. Here onwards, there won't be any stuck or any failure and running class due to the power failure. Okay, so there is a great appreciation to our honorable chairman. All of you, just give an applause for him. Come on, all of you, wish him. Okay, and pray for him. All of you, good. It's a one of the good thing he did for you people, not for me and not for others. It's all for you. Okay, all of you, once again, from your heart, just applaud him. Okay, good students. Okay, so my dear students, I'm here once again to discuss with the topic. Yeah, soft skills.
Yes.
Soft skills we learn. What are the points we learned in soft skills? What soft skill?
Sources.
Then?
Respect.
Yeah, respect. The word respect, we completed it. Respect. Respect is one of the noteworthy, one of the positive feature of personality or personal trait. And without the respect or without keeping this word respect, you can't reach your goal, reach your high, or you can't be a good person in future or in now also. Then we discussed that where we are using this respect the word on why we need it. Shreya, Rihan, Muhammad, Paul, Nihal, Sebastian, I got it. Adi, Adus. Why you purposely kept off or any problem? Okay.
Where is one?
Mama's net issues. Net goal, I think.
I think my network is laggy.
Oh, yes,
No,
my
your network is lagging.
First I thought everyone is stuck.
For me, ma'am is the only one who's stuck. Everything else is okay.
The UPS for only the board, not for the net. The net on.
I couldn't predict that it may end after 5 minutes or 10 minutes too, because the people are over here to refresh it, checking it. Okay, but anyway, we'll discuss. What we'll do, we will discuss the we'll do the revision of earlier lessons. Okay, so we want to move with the new topic, so that if at all any error or any failure, you won't miss it. Okay, so Neem. Dear my students, tell me, where we stopped? What are the things we learned in the previous lessons, previous class? We learned soft skills, the entire pattern. That means it helps to our attitude. It's entirely define our soft skills, define our Ashinanda. Look at me, what you are doing over there? Your game, you are doing playing with the game, no? No. Okay. So see, and soft skills which gives a pattern to your behavior or attitude. Means where the soft skills are there. If suppose we'll take a soft skills in one hand and another hand there is a behavior or a attitude, it is reciprocal to each other. Where your soft skills are more, that much your behavior will be. Where soft skills are less, that much your behavior will be. So every time you have to Ashinanda, something is going on. The child is not at all concentrating in the class. So it is reciprocal to each other. Reciprocal to each other means invariably proportionate. It's a mathematical term. Okay. It is invariably proportionate. That means if one goes high, other two goes high. Another goes down, other two goes down. That means it is proportionate to each other. We can't differentiate soft skill with the behavior. We can't differentiate the attitude with the behavior. Means overall, our attitude, as you are sitting in front of me. As you are sitting in front of me, you all are having the different facial expressions. Am I right?
Yes.
Your facial expressions, your behavior, your pattern, your personal traits, your body language. Is it common?
No, different.
No, it's not common. Not at all common. Rihan, is it common?
No,
Rihan?
friend.
It's not common. It's different from even I too means mine is different from you and yours is different from your friends. That means each person possesses a unique style. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Each person possesses a unique style. Come on, you react to me.
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
reaction boosts me. Your feedback, your answers boost me to speak more and more. So each person or each skill is unique from one person to another person. We'll take the great personalities such as, they are more convenient with the movies, I know. Mohanlal, Mammootty, Dulquer Salman, Shah Rukh Khan, then Allu Arjun, then who? Then who?
Vijay, ma'am.
Who?
Vijay.
Vijay Surya.
Vijay Surya. Yes.
Radhik.
Ma'am,
Dulquer. Means your taste. Your taste you speak. Yeah. Name?
Radhik.
Hrithik. Mammootty. Means your taste is different. Your taste of accepting the person is different. Am I right? Your taste of accepting the person. Prithviraj too. Rihan, very good. I too like Prithviraj. He's a wonderful
New
personality.
cinema, ma'am. Cold Case.
What?
Cold case, new film.
Old?
Cold case, cold case.
Cold case. That
Cold
I don't
case.
know. That I don't know, my dear. Movies
No,
names,
ma'am,
no.
it is new.
Cold.
Ma'am,
He's an actor.
Ma'am, I have some issues, ma'am. I will be back, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, not cold case actor. It's a new film of
It's a new film. Okay. I don't know. I'm very least about these matters in movies. And moreover, in Malayalam movies, I never had been over here now, so I am not at all touch with these Malayalam movies. Yet to start. You just suggest me. You just tell me, ma'am, you go and watch this movie. Then only I'll go and watch. Otherwise, I am not that much perfect.
No need.
No need. Don't watch that movie. It's not good. You
No,
didn't like.
it's not really.
It's not me.
It's an ad. It's an ad.
It is yet to release. It is yet to release. Okay.
Yes,
No,
ma'am,
ma'am.
it's an
No,
ad.
ma'am, I
Now
saw
it's
that.
an ad.
Trailer. You can call it as a trailer.
Ma'am, I saw that
Yes,
film.
ma'am, trailer.
Ma'am, I saw the film.
Who saw the film?
I also saw that in the Prime Video.
Okay,
Ma'am,
okay.
TV, I saw.
How's the movie? How's the movie?
Very
Man,
hot.
Ending was poor.
Ma'am, House Bachchan have movie, ma'am. Ittimani.
Okay. Leave it. Whatever it may be. That's I told you. It's according to your taste. My taste is different. Your taste is different. My worship or my that means my adorable personalities are different. So person to person, the mind to mind, attitude to attitude,
Different.
behavior to behavior, everything is changed.
Different.
And every person has its unique personality. As every system has a unique password and ID. Is it? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If suppose the system in front of your studio, which studio I am here? We are here in the
12.
studio.
12.
We are in the studio 12. In studio 12, its password and ID is different from that of studio 13, studio 6, studio 5. So every system has a unique ID and password, like, my dears, every human beings or every personality has its unique ID and password. Unique ID and a password. Then it will come to the every system or every personality unique means how it is unique, my dears? How it is unique?
Ma'am, their taste is.
Their taste, of course. Yes, come on. Their taste.
Flavor.
Their taste and flavor. It's not only their taste and flavor. Behavior name.
Behavior.
Very good. Exactly. Their behavior is different from one person to another person. One person to another person. How it is
And
one
then-
person? As I said, as you said, ma'am, there are so many movie actors like Mammootty, Mohanlal, Dulquer, so and so X, Y, Z. And every personality has a unique pattern. Is it?
Yes.
Unique behavior. Unique behavior. Unique behavior. If any characters are mimicked through, if any characters are enacted through the comedians, we can observe that. When somebody in the right shoulder hop and left shoulder low and walk, what's the symbol of which character? Which personality symbolified?
My habit.
It's habit. No, which movie character symbolified over there?
Mohanlal.
Very easily we got. Very easily got. Is it?
Yes.
Like somebody is having just speaking like that by keeping the right hand over here and speaking like that. Who's it is?
Mammootty.
Mammootty, it's of course. Why it's so? The people observed. The people observed. The people means we too. The audience. The spectators. We the spectators. We the audience observed. Neem, what you are doing?
Nothing, ma'am.
Then what you are writing over there? See, we the people. Okay. We people observing the outer appearance of a person. Outer appearance of a person. As you are sitting in front of me, I'm not at all familiar with you. I'm very new to you. Am I right?
Yes.
ma'am.
I'm very new to you because last year we hadn't met. Even this year only I joined, the month of June itself only I joined this institution. We don't have any earlier familiarity where we never met before. But still you carries some memory of me after my period. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes or no? If it is no, you tell me no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, you like me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You carries few memories of me. My memories are, is it in the form of words to you?
Ma'am, do not understand. Ma'am.
My memory, every lecture, after every period, you carries few memories of me. Am I right? Now it's part clear. That memories, is it in the form of words, sentence, or XYZ?
X, Y.
What form you are carries my memory?
Ma'am,
If
last word.
Ma'am, you study.
you name tell me, whenever you will remember me, what it comes first about me?
Ma'am, you are teaching the soft skills about your teeth for us.
Sebastian, tell me.
Ma'am, when we think about you, first the thing that come out in my mind first is about your teaching.
About my teaching means the way of teaching. Is it? The
About
way
your
of-
behavior, ma'am.
about the behavior, how I stood in front of you, how my eye contact on you, how my both the hands movements, my body language, and on what attitude, which attitude I kept within you, or which attitude I followed. Am I right?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That you recovers, that you remember. It's not only about me. You carries along with you from outer observation, the physical observation of the person. This physical observation or the outer observation, outer performance is entirely based on his body language. Indirectly, the body language indirectly, it is exactly the body language. The body language is indirectly represents the attitude. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
If you suppose I'm an adorable personality, you will think that adorable. Adorable. What do you mean by adorable?
Ma'am,
Adorable or adorable?
ma'am, that person like that.
It's an adjective, of course. Otherwise, adaptable. It's adaptable. Dr. Manjula is an adaptable personality. Otherwise, Ati is an adaptable personality. What is meant by?
Ma'am, his habit.
Bad.
Ma'am, adaptable personality means which is a personality which everybody used to like.
Yeah, he or she must be changed according to the situations. That means he or she can be fitted anywhere. That means he or she doesn't need any special position or any, he or she can be adjusted with anyone. Got it?
Yes,
so is
ma'am.
it a positive quality or negative quality?
Positive.
Adaptable personality means it is a positive quality. Write down somewhere. Adaptable personality. That means he or she is a very adjustable personality or able to change in order to lead, in order to deal with the new situation, any new situations. He or she can be adjusted. He can be fit. So it's one of the beautiful personality trait. It is one of the positive trait of a behavior, that is adaptable. Adaptable personality. Adaptable.
I'm no sound, ma'am.
Now, hello.
And we can hear your sound is
Ma'am, we
proper.
can hear it. Ma'am, we can hear you, ma'am.
you.
We can hear.
Man,
Hello,
that
now?
this is problem.
Yes,
I
ma'am,
think
we can
so.
still hear
Now
you,
it's
ma'am.
okay.
Man, your sound is okay.
Okay. Okay. Come on. So it's a adaptable. What up? Adaptable.
Double.
Okay. So then we will say that affable. Affable. We are discussing
negative.
no. Affable personality. Affable personality.
My example can you give?
Affable personality means he is very pleasant and friendly. As name I found. He is very pleasant and very friendly. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
You tell. Others tell. Not
True, ma'am.
name. Let others.
True.
Others observe. Let's observe him. You are so experienced with him. I'm not. My experience is only within a couple of days. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah, but yours is not like that. For a year-long experience with your friends. The name is affable personality. Affable personality means what? He is very pleasant. Write down. He is very pleasant and friendly and very easy to talk. See, very easy to talk. That means we don't have any means he is indirectly approachable. He is indirectly approachable. See, my dear children, see the two qualities I just spoke to you, that is adaptable and affable.
Okay.
This adaptable and affable, anywhere written on your forehead. See, name, look at name. Anywhere it is written on affable character.
No, ma'am.
Look at me. It on my face anywhere it is written any adaptable character.
No, ma'am. Our experience with
Experience with then our behavior.
Yes, ma'am.
And at any circumstances, if you are able to adjust with any new situations, it meant that you are adaptable. Any situation or any circumstances, if you are able to fit with that situation, you are adaptable. But at the same time, you are very pleasant, very friendly, and very approachable, then it is called as a affable. So
Affable.
whether it is a positive or negative,
Ma'am, positive thing.
positive. Whether it is necessary for us or not necessary for us,
Necessary.
Necessary.
just look around. Just 2 examples of this adaptable and affable personality. You just find out, just look around. Look around means you can quote your parents' name, you can quote your siblings' name, you can quote your kith and kin's names, you can quote any political leader's name, you can quote any cine actor's name. Only the 2 personalities, 2 examples, the one who possess adaptable and affable personalities. Your time starts now. Within 2 seconds, you have to speak. Okay? Your time starts now. Write down adaptable 2 personality, affable 2 personalities. Come on. Your time starts now. Today I found 4 more students kept their videos off. And even I am observing the last few lectures of other teachers. See, you know, I am your principal. So, of course, I'll observe the rest of your classes too. So, I found that Avsar Bachchan continually kept his phone switched off. Means video switched off. This is very bad. This is a bad negative character. I don't want my students should behave like this. You will get a negative remark. Come up with the positive energy. Come up with the positive feelings. Every lecture, every period, you are getting some of the new ideas, new thoughts. Add to you, add to your personality. You are hiding your curtain. You are behind the curtain means you are hiding your personality. You never get any chance to come up. So I told you before, really, I am not here a beggar in front of you to every time open up your video, I am not a beggar. Once you be very clear that you are the students.
Ma'am. For affable and that how many?
Network problem, I agree, my dear, but it won't be quite 40 minutes. It won't be long duration. For a few seconds or a 1 minute or more than 5 minutes, it won't be. You can refresh your device, you can come up again. Not all, only 2-3 students daily I am observing. Not only my lecture, I am observing. I do observe all the lectures of you.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
yes. I have on my camera. Sometimes
Sebastian, you reported me earlier only, my dear. I given an excuse too. Sebastian, you won't worry. I talk about the other students. Okay? So I asked her, prepare the 2 personalities. That's of affable and adaptable. Come on. Finish now. Time finish now. Affable and adaptable. We'll start with the Fatima. Fatima must speak first. You had to speak. Yeah, Fatima.
Ma'am, affable, my mother and father.
Affable, my mother and father. Why it's so? Just take an example.
Ma'am, they are very friendly to me.
Wow, very good. Great applause to Fatima's parents. Good. They are very friendly to her. Okay, all of you applaud her. Yes. Then adaptable.
Ma'am, I don't know the meaning of adaptable.
Adaptable means the one who is able to change in order to deal with a new situation. That means whenever any new circumstances, any new things arise, you are able to cope up with the situation. You are able to, means entire day is not same for all. Am I? The entity is always happy. Life is a mixture of happiness and sorrow. Is it?
Yes.
Life is a mixture of happiness and sorrow. So it doesn't mean that we are able to fit only in the we had to have sorrows too. So this is a positive attitude of a person who is able to handle both the situations, whether it may be positive or negative, whether it may be any calacious time, whether it may be hustle and bustle or a common situation. So you are able to adjust with the situation. Now you got Fatima?
Yes, ma'am.
Then come on.
Adaptable is my grandma and my grandpa.
Very good, very good. Good example. Adaptable means your grandma and grandfather. Okay, I'll move to Irene.
Yes, ma'am. Adaptable is my mother.
Adaptable is your mother. Okay. Then, of course, very good answer.
Affable is my brothers.
Affable means your brothers. Okay. Ashinanda. Ashinanda, you call me when you are free. I wish to talk to your parents too. Ashinanda, come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Adaptable is my mother and affable is my grandmother.
Okay, adaptable is your parents and the affable is your grandparents. Okay. Then. Okay. Okay, children. It's a time up. Teacher is waiting here to enter the next classroom. Anyway, you just write. And we'll continue the discussion in next lecture, next Thursday, the same hour. The same topic will continue. Just kindly remind me. Okay? And that time, I don't need only your parents and grandparents. You must include other personalities too. That means this is a 1 week. 1 week I am giving to you to observe around. To observe around whoever it may be. Just to find out these qualities. Who else are these adaptable? Who else are these affable characters? Okay, my dears?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye. 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 Good day. Happy day for all of you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Me too. Meet you on next day.
Thank you, ma'am.